Good evening, everyone. My name is Shauna Morris. Today is Sunday, October the 6th, and we are going to be doing our fetal pig dissection, and we'll be working with the respiratory system, focusing on our lungs. Well, the pig's lungs. So first, I just want to show you what we have, and then we'll jump right in. So we have our bleach for our cleaning solution. We have our pig. We have a pan. We have our apron, gloves, goggles, strings, this foam, and our dissection kit. All right, next time you see me, we'll hop on in. All right, we're back with our fetal pig dissection. All right, so I just cut the heart right here in the sink so that we can expose the trachea. I cut through some thoracic vessels, some carotid arteries, the sternum, and so now we have a view of the trachea. Just showing you this before I take my actual picture for the lab report. Okay, so we are back. We're going to take our tissue forceps and follow our incision through the clavicle. So right here we have our trachea. We have our external jugular, internal jugular, our left subclavian vein, our brachiocephalic trunk, and then our superior vena cava. On the other side, we have our internal jugular, our cephalic vein, our right subclavian vein. It's all exposed right here, like so. All right, so next we're gonna expose our actual lung. So we have right here, we're going down our trachea. You could tell how, let's get this. Okay. You can tell the difference between the trachea just by the grooves that are on the trachea. Nice and rubbery. Okay, so you can see our larynx. I think I should have cut like our poor pig. That. Yep, here we go. Let's see. A better picture. Okay, so up here we have our larynx. You can see, can you see? Okay. All right, and then our trachea is right here. You can tell by the grooves. Now we're gonna go down to our lungs. I'll show you our right lung and our left lung. It's right here. So we have our left lung and then our right lung. All right, well, that concludes our dissection with our respiratory. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed week.